So now I will be making some breakfast. Going to be making some spam and some rice. I haven't had spam in such a long time, and also I was telling you guys I was trying not to eat that much meat. But sometimes I just get a craving and it has to be met. Today is one of those days. That said, I am busting out the rice cooker. I don't know, any of my Filipinos, Asians, how do you measure the water for your rice? Do you use the finger measurement? Let me know. My partner finds it funny. Sorry. My partner finds it funny. I find it funny too, but somehow it's effective. While I'm waiting for stuff to cook, could you guys let me know how you are finding my videos so far so that I know what to do? Just documenting my cooking really, which is a lot, which is most of the time what I do. I cook. Can you guys hear the rice? Love rice in the morning. But yeah, as I was saying, getting sidetracked because I think I really did not sleep well last night because of that sugar I had. I had soda the night before. So John just got back from the store. Apparently the grocery is closed, but he went to an Asian market, so we got some bok choy, some eggs, and some vegetable buns.
Yeah, it's Anzac Day. It's a public holiday today.
Yeah, it's Anzac Day. It's a public holiday today. I just repeated what you said. Alright, so that's breakfast. Simple spam silog, Pinoy style, because I was craving for spam. Now it's time to eat and finally get some coffee. And then of course, we have some seasoning. We couldn't get the Knorr one, but they had the Maggi one.
So the spam come pre-sliced?
No.
So I can remember when I moved into uni, I remember my parents took me to uni, they took me to the shop. One of the things my dad was like, oh, get some spam, you want spam in your cupboard? And I looked at the date, and the date it went off was going to be the day that I graduated. I was like, oh, this is my graduation spam, you can eat it on graduation day. No, I lost it.
Okay, I look a bit weird. I've just finished editing the video and it should be up today. My very first video on YouTube. After being gone for so long. And after this, I will have some lunch. So for lunch, we are having steamed buns. The funny thing about this lunch is that we can't understand the packaging, so we don't know if we're meant to steam it or bake/grill it in the oven. We're steaming 2 in a rice cooker, and we are steaming the other 2 in the oven. Just because we want to be right, we are going through this entire thing trying to prove the other person wrong because that is what a partnership is all about. Aren't I right? Oh, he's busy. Yes, you're right, Mickey.
No, you're not, I'm right.
Silly boy. He set the oven so high. Someone is sabotaging me. Sabotage. After lunch, we will, I think, do some gardening today because I wanted to repot some of our plants. We now have plants, right, in our house. And looking at it, it makes me happy. Like, we have new babies right now. I'm really excited for this to like just grow and take over our whole house. Oh, he's now here and I'm blocking his way. I'm sabotaging his steamed buns in the rice cooker. Nice. I thought it might get soggy, so I'm not sure. Maybe mine will be dry. Who knows? I might be wrong after all. Maybe sometimes I am not right. Shocker. He's not amused. Look.
Oh, looks a bit soggy.
Did you guys hear that?
I think that's good actually.
Is it like shopao?
Yeah, it's like sharp out.
But it's vegetables. So good. my sabotaged buns. Crispy.
They do feel a bit crisper.
I guess it just depends on how you want. If you want it soft or hard.
Like those hard ones we had in Hong Kong.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, the Michelin star ones we had in Hong Kong.
Oh yeah, when we went to the island thing. To the other place. When we took the boat.
Uh-oh.
So the verdict is, who is the winner? We are both the winners because we get to eat. He's like, what is this? My girlfriend's so weird. I don't know, John. This is just the way I am. I'm built like this. Hey, you wanna get your plate? Because I can't get it.
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm holding the camera. Which one did you try first? Your one?
Stings.
That looks good.
1 hour later.
We're going for a walk to beat cabin fever. Also because John can't stay in the house for too long. You need to take him out for a walk like a dog. Joke lang. He can
That's
take
true.
himself out for a walk. I feel like this is one of those scenes in a horror film where someone suddenly jumps out. It's casually walking along and there's... This is a loud tree. Fun fact by Johnny the scientist. What was it you were saying?
Well, they stay there because they're met by the creek, so there's lots of water, so they can drink the water. Also,
Nice.
those bats are nicknamed flying foxes because they got red hair,
Like,
and they're fruit bats, so they don't bite people, so they're fine.
okay, so we just got back from taking a walk out around the park, and then after that we just sat out on the front porch, had a beer each. I look a little pale because I didn't really put any makeup on. We're back with the jank box grater as a tripod. So this is the chicken style tenders that I really like, and this is plant-based.
This one because it's organic, and after I read the book, I'm all about my small, local and organic stuff.
These baby potatoes, they're so tiny.
Also, it's Shiraz.
Dami na naman yung sinasabi. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now it's about 10 minutes since I put the fries in, so it's time to put the chicken, all of it. Oh, that is in my face. Let's see. That. So I just put in the vegan chicken together with the fries, and then after that I'm gonna be making the corn, just plating it, and that will be our evening. We're currently watching South Park, and thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this vlog here just because I want to spend this night and just be with John. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts about it, and please also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I feel like I keep saying thank you. Sige na nga. Just bye. Bye. Thanks. Peace out.